To achieve a quick and easy smoky eye makeup look, start by creating 3 lines. Fill them in with black, brown, and one in orange. Blend them together and you will have the perfect smoky eye. My name is Sehrish and I create videos on makeup tips and tricks. So let's get started. To make a smooth base, I am using the e.l.f. concealer. I will apply it on my eyelid, under my eyes and around my eyebrows. Some of you guys might wonder why I am using a large foundation brush to blend the concealer. The reason is that this brush covers a large area, making it the fastest way to blend concealer on your eyelids. I also have great control over this brush, which is why I often use it for blending concealer and foundation or even setting them. Once the base is smooth, set it with a setting powder. Now moving on the eyebrows, I will start by drawing a line under my eyebrows and then filling them in with a dark brown eyebrow powder. Using a spoolie brush, I will blend the powder from the middle to the tail of my brows. If you prefer a more professional look, you can also use an eyebrow gel. Next part is very interesting and very simple and quick for this eye makeup look. I am using a brown eyeliner to create two lines on my eyelid, dividing the eyelid into three sections. Yes, I'm creating two lines, but these two lines divided my eyelid into three sections. First, I will apply a thick layer of black gel eyeliner on the very first part of the lid, making sure to fill it in nicely. Since this is a smoky eye look, the black eyeliner should be thick at the base, gradually becoming lighter as we move upwards. For the next section, I am using brown eyeliner. I will first fill this area with a gel brown eyeliner and then layer it with brown eyeshadow. I will blend the black eyeliner into the brown shadow to create a smooth transition. Now you can see a beautiful gradient from the black to the brown, perfect for a smoky eye. For the third section, which is the crease area, I will apply a deep orange eyeshadow. I will blend the orange shade into the crease, mixing it slightly with the brown to create a stunning effect. First, I will apply it with a sponge brush and then I am using a fluffy brush for blending it all over the crease and give it a soft look. If the colors look too light, you don't need to worry. You can go back and deepen the black by adding black eyeshadow along the lash line where the black eyeliner was applied. Then layer some brown powder eyeshadow again and lightly blend orange at the top to perfect the gradient. Now moving to the lower lash line, I will apply black eyeliner and blend it with a dark brown eyeshadow. I will also add a touch of orange to these shades and blend them together for a cohesive look. Don't forget to apply black eyeliner to your waterline for that extra smoky effect. For some sparkles, I am using Wet n Wild White Forest glitters. I will apply them on my eyelid with my fingers, spreading them all the way up to the crease where the orange shadow is. If you have loose glitters, you can use those instead. Fluffy brushes work well for applying both loose and creamy glitters. Next, I am curling my lashes with an eyelash curler. Curling your lashes is a technique. So, if you are unsure how to do it, I have linked a video above for guidance. After curling, I am applying my mascara to both the upper and lower lashes. For finishing touches, I will take some powder eyeshadow on an angle brush and apply it to the inner corner of my eyes. Then I will create a small wink at the outer corner using the same brush and same black powder eyeshadow. The wink doesn't need to be thick, just a small one to complete the look. Finally, I will show you how this look appears with and without false lashes. Both versions are elegant and quick, requiring minimal efforts. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoy this look, please give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. Let me know your suggestions in the comments and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye.